So hello guys, today we all are going to have a debate. The topic of the debate is mobile use of mobile phones. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So do you know mobile phone are important for us?
No, I don't think mobile phones
No,
are.
no, it is important.
According to you, it is important, but according to me, mobile phones are not
It
important.
is important because when we come from somewhere, like we are coming from school, in school we are not seeing mobile phone and TVs, so we come and see mobile phones after coming from school. And in mobile there are good things like studies, and there are maths topics, and others like that.
When we see mobile phones, so we will lost our eyes also.
No, we cannot lost our eyes because we can.
How can you say that?
Because we can कम करने को क्या बोलते हैं? कम करने. We can decrease the brightness of the phones. From then we will not get blind.
We can say also we can lost our eyes.
No, we cannot lost
Mobile
our
phones
eyes.
are not important for us.
Mobile phones are important for
How
us.
can you say that mobile phones are important?
Mobile phones are important. I am saying that.
Why?
Because mobile phones are important because when we are bored, then we have to see mobile phone or TVs. That's why mobile phones are important for us.
I hate mobile phones, but why do you not hate mobile phones?
Because I see mobile phones, I don't hate mobile phones.
You see mobile phones?
Yes, I see mobile phones.
Why your parents do not see mobile phone?
Yes, my parents see mobile phones. Does your parents do not see mobile phones?
Sometimes my parents see mobile phone.
My also
but not so much.
My also mother and father don't see mobile phones. My mother talk to Masi
According
and
to
my
me,
nani.
your parents will decrease their eyes. Decrease their eyes.
No, they will not. My mother talks to my Masi and Nanis.
How can you say that?
She don't see phone. She sees phone in the night. And my father also see the phone. Operates phone in night. My father does not operate phone full day.
You do not get sleepy
How do you-
at night.
Yes, I get sleepy.
You play Free Fire.
No, I have left playing Free Fire.
Don't tell a lie.
No, I am not telling a lie. You can come to my home and you can see. I have left Free Fire.
Don't tell a lie.
No, I am not telling a lie.
Do you not know in 1999 in year? Do you not know that in 99 year the childrens not see mobiles? They play games in machine and they play cricket. They play hide and seek. That's all they play. In 24, 25 years, the mobile is used very much. And our
According
eyes,
to you, mobile phones is not important.
yeah.
Okay. If in world there are disease like coronavirus, so how can you study? You can study by phone, online classes, by YouTube, seeing English video like Inside Academy, and many channels. How can you study in coronavirus time?
Why are you going on coronavirus?
We can go any future virus also, if any future virus come.
But
Any
it is
of-
not. Now it is not.
It
We
can-
are talking now.
It can, if now at this time
I know reality. After going to this tuition, you will operate phone. I know reality. And after coming to school, you also operate phone. I don't see. Oh, you are telling us. So how do you like to Inside Academy? So I see Inside Academy because I have to like and subscribe my channel. Oh, so how you can take online classes in summer vacation? I don't. In my school, there are not online classes. Oh, in your school, not online classes? No. In all schools, they are allowed online classes. In coronavirus, how you can study, how you can eat. So why are you going on coronavirus? It is future.
When we are having winter vacation, so how do we have online classes? Tell me. We are having winter when we are having winter vacation. How do we have classes? By phone? By phone, na?
Why are you going in future? I am saying that
I am not going in future. I am not going in future. Winter are going to start. You know, winter are going to start.
Yes.
When see, first of all, listen. When winter will start, then online classes will be going to start. Then how will you be operate? Yes, sir. How will you be able to take your online classes by phone?
why are you पक्का बोलने को क्या बोलते हैं? Means, why are you that much sore?
Yes.
How are you? Why are you talking about classes? You can talk about anything else.
Do you see in mobile phone shorts there was abuse?
No, I don't see abuse. First of all, I only see shorts and videos, long videos, but sometimes I see study.
in shorts-
but sometimes I study my like classwork, doing classwork and study.
You are
from
just
my-
watching your work
No, no.
automatically
No.
you opened Instagram.
No, I
etc.
don't. First of all,
yes, I know.
First of all, I don't watch Instagram. Do
YouTube.
know?
You watch.
Yes,
In-
I watch. Yes, I watch YouTube.
In-
How can you say that I operate Instagram? How can you say that?
in my mouth, to my mouth. I have mouth.
No, you cannot say. No, you
I
cannot
can.
say. No,
It is
I
my
don't.
mouth.
No. So how do you operate your reels? Do you have having Instagram channel? You must be having a YouTube channel.
No.
How do you
No.
operate reels? How do you operate reels? By phone?
No.
By phone? The video is recorded by phone. The video
Yes.
is.
Suppose your mom is sitting in the kitchen and your mom is calling you that please come and get a glass of water from me, and you are not listening to that. This is not a good thing. This creates a good impact or bad impact over you. And you guys are continuously only talking about the disadvantage of mobile phones or advantage of mobile phones in body according to your study. What about apart from study? Why are you talking about study? Apart from study, just ask to bring back in 12 hours or 24 hours. How many hours do you use only for study? And only for 1 hour or 2 hours. Rest of the hours you just keep scrolling and keep doing rubbish. Why do we talk about such kind of things?
How many in 24 hours? How many times do you study by mobile? Oh, I operate mobiles 1-2 hours and I study 30 minutes in Inside Academy videos. 30, only 30. Oh, so I also study in three tuitions and schools also. My school is 7:30 hours my school. We are talking about the mobile. We are not talking about your tuition, not school. So, sometimes your mother call you and say that. So how your mother call to your Moses, father. So how your mother? It's used by phone. It's used by phone, and your mother also operate Instagrams. It's used by phone.
But in past there was no phone.
You know how to dance. From phone, you know how to dance. Phone tells to us how to dance. All things phones.
But
say. With phone
but-
we can do all things.
But there was online. There was dancing class. We can join dancing class.
Also, dance, sir. How he not to dance?
We can make dance.
He know from shorts dance. He know step by step from YouTube.
But it.
So first of all, listen that from musics we dance from
But
how
we
our,
can make-
how our music plays.
but
How
we
our
can
music
make
played.
music,
How our
but we
music
can.
played. How our music played. First of all, tell me. It is operated by phone. Videos recorded by phone. The videos uploaded by phone. Now you how you can say that?
Fun and mouth. I can. But in future there was no phone. Then how?
First of all, see.
Ronak was also saying how we can come on future. You are also coming on future. So then we will also come on future.
She is coming on past. They both are coming on past. They are saying that in the past there were no phones.
Yes,
There were no phones, but there are telemobiles. You study in books. Study in books. Go and study in 4th or 5th class books.
Why?
For purchase the book, you give to cash. If you do not have cash, so you can use the phone pay, Google Pay.
Paytm also.
Paytm also.
We can cash also. We can cash. Do cash
If
also.
you do not समझने के लिए understand to the math question, so you ask to Google. You ask to Google and you calculate to calculation.
We have mind.
It is in mobile.
We can ask from sir. It is not necessary to ask to Google.
From school, do you get any project?
Bhaiya, what is the English of achanak se?
All of a suddenly.
If you are seeing phone, suddenly you lost your eyes, and how will you be able to study?
It is sir,
You will not able to go to your school.
no problem.
If
There
you
are
lost
a
your
school
eyes.
there are a school for blind also. And first of all, do you get a project from school?
Yeah.
Yes or not?
Yeah.
How to make your project? You search in YouTube.
But I can help to my parents.
You can take help of your friends. Your parents, from where your parents see on your YouTube.
If with mind, we have mind. We can make with ourselves. We can make project for with ourselves. We have in phone. They make with phone. No, they will.
Listen.
They-
Girls have don't mind. Girls have mind here. I can prove that.
Prove.
Not all the girls are having. Not all the girls are having. Our ma'am is teaching us.
Meet
Our
you.
ma'am is teaching us.
Yes.
So from where she teach? So from where she teach?
So why are you going on girls' mind? Why are you going on
I'm
girls'
not-
mind? Why?
So why is she saying that
Okay,
we
you-
have mind? So why is she is saying that we have mind?
You are saying
Yes, she
of
is
mind.
having mind.
You are saying of mind. So your teacher also.
No, my teacher has mind.
So why she is also girl?
Yes.
Your teacher is also girl.
My teacher is a girl.
Are you saying that Sia Didi also have?
My teacher, Sia Didi have.
Sia Didi is
Sia Didi have mind.
How
Sia
is
Didi
it
have
that
mind.
Sia Didi,
Sia Didi has mind.
but
You don't know Sia Didi has mind.
you are saying about a girl, so Sia Didi also a girl, and Sia
See,
Didi.
I'm not talking about all the girls.
Sia Didi also-
I'm not talking about all the girls.
in here.
I am not talking about all the girls. I am saying about her. I'm not talking about my.
So why are you going on girls? Why are you
I'm
going
not
on
going
girls?
on girls. First of all, like that.
But you said that girls have a mind here.
Yeah, that is right.
Sia Didi also
That is
a
right.
girl.
But
We
I'm
are-
not saying. But I'm not saying.
We are.
First, listen to me. But I am saying not all the girls are having minds. All the girls are not having in mind in me. I'm not saying that.
Our topic is mobile, not girls' mind.
First of all, see me. When you have to study, when you have to search something, you operate mobile all the time. You don't have to call sir. Arpit said that you should ask from some. But sir is not all the subject teachers, and Didi is all the subject teachers. But we will not call Didi when we are having doubt. We will not
doubt, and we can come this tuition and we can ask
so,
questions.
So we can come to tuition. If sir is not there, so how can we contact? How we will contact from mobile, na? We will contact from mobile.
No, we can.
Tell what was you saying?
I'm saying if sir is not there, we can knock the. We can ask neighborhood. We can if there was no sir, then we go to home.
Do you operate WhatsApp?
If neighborhood have not studied, if neighborhood have not studied, they have not studied well.
So then she will badge of us that he do not know how to study.
Yes.
But my there was my Didi and my bua's sister.
If she know all things know.
If we have to study, so we can also study with the help of laptop.
Laptop.
You are saying
so laptop is also make the.
But you are mobile. But we are.
Why are you coming on laptop? Why are you coming on laptop? Ronak also said that why are you coming on mind? So and why are you
coming on laptop? Why are you coming on laptop? The topic is of mobile phone. Why are you coming on
You are
laptop?
saying about mobile phones, not a laptop.
Laptop is a kind of mobile phone. Laptop is a kind of mobile phone.
But you are saying about a mobile phone, not a laptop.
No.
But in this Excel is not operate on mobile phone. It is only laptop.
We can also operate Excel, MS Excel, MS Paint, MS Word. And
Not all things.
everything. Phone and laptop has a difference. No, yes, little
Little bit they are having
difference. But why are you coming on laptop? We have a topic of mobile phone. Ronak said that why are you coming on mine? We should operate phone, but we should also ask question from a laptop. Yes, we can. But so you are saying about
Why are you coming on laptop? Do you have a group of school tuition?
I am asking one question. Shlok, why are you barking without mic?
I'm not barking without mic. Give me. I'm not barking with mic. You are barking. Why are you saying me? You are barking. I can say that you are barking without mic. First of all, you were.
when you don't have mic, so why are you barking?
You are barking. I'm not barking.
When I don't have mic,
Why are you changing topic? Come on topic. Why are you changing topic?
coming on topic, but he is barking.
You are barking. No. You are barking.
First of all,
How did we
First of all, we are not barking. We are saying you cannot say like that. 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 We are barking.
When the Radhya has mic, so he say without mic. I am asking that it is one question.
No problem. Why are you changing the topic?
Yes.
Come on the topic now.
You also change the topic. We will also change the topic.
Question. So, this you are on the topic. You are changing topic. We are not changing topic. So come on.
You are changing topic. Who said that we are barking? Who said that we are barking? He said. You said. Who said that we are barking? Who said? I'm not barking. When you don't have. Who said?
mic, so you are barking.
Who said barking?
Do you have group of tuitions, school in your mobile phone? Yes or not?
No, I don't have a group in mobile of schools. I don't have. How you teacher to send your holiday homework? She sent like in diary.
How we can print the diary by phone? We can also write in diary. How
We can printing machine. We can also write in diary with the help of our teachers.
First of all, printing machine is operated by phone. Go and ask the operator.
But a page is made by a tree, and tree is not a printer.
First of all, tree is not a printer. I know that, but printer is made. But how is it printed? How is it printed? How is it printed?
It is machine.
It is not a
machine.
So like you like
So we are not seeing mobile. We are not seeing
So
mobile.
like that you can see that mobile phone is a machine. Mobile
So
phone.
why are you standing? Why are you standing?
First, who stand? Who
You
standed
first. You.
First of all, listen. In the video, he standed first.
When we went to stationery,
Yes.
when we went to stationery,
Yes.
stationery uncles
Yes.
stationary's uncle will give us print.
Yes.
We will not operate a machine.
So I have also
It is
seen.
printed
I have
out.
also seen.
It is printed with the help of
First of all,
phones.
First of all, listen to my. I have also seen you. You are operating.
Stationary's
mobile.
uncle
I have
will
come
give
to
us a
your home.
printer,
I
not
have
us.
come to your home.
I have seen you.
You also operate mobile.
I also operate
mobile.
Everyone operate mobile.
Okay, now let's wind up this. It was a nice debate. Let's wind up this.
Like and subscribe the channel.
Click the bell icon and subscribe the Inside Academy English. Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.